value theorem to evaluate this limit. Limit x tending to 1 cos of pi x by 2 divided by log of 1 by x. So we need to find this limit using the Cauchy's mean value theorem. So for Cauchy's mean value theorem, we are taking this to be the function fx and this to be the function gx. We need two functions over here. So let fx is cos of pi x by 2 and gx is log of 1 by x. I can write this further as log of 1 minus log of x, and because log 1 is 0, so this is negative of log of x. Let's take the interval to be open interval 1 to x. Now about the continuity. Now all the trigonometric functions in their periodic domains, the polynomial functions, the exponential functions, the logarithmic functions in their domains are continuous, right? So here fx is your trigonometric function, gx is logarithmic function, so these are continuous. So here both fx and gx are continuous for all x belonging to the closed interval 1x, and also both the functions are derivable in the open interval 1 to x. So therefore there exists at least one real number c belonging to the open interval 1x such that f dash c divided by g dash c is equal to fb minus fa divided by gb minus ga, where g dash c, this is non-zero in the open interval 1x. What is g dash x? This is c. What is gx? It is negative of log of x, right? So g dash x will be minus 1 by x, which is non-zero for all x belonging to the open interval 1x. So this is the reason for that. So here g dash c is equal to minus 1 by c, and let's check f dash c. What is fx? It is cos of pi x divided by 2. So f dash x becomes negative of sine of pi x by 2 multiplied with pi by 2. So f dash c will be minus pi by 2 sine of pi c by 2. Let me mark this as 2 and this to be as 1 and this to be as star. So let's put the value of f dash c and g dash c over here. F dash c divided by g dash c, that is minus 1 by c, equals to fb minus fa. Now what is fb? The interval is 1x. Now here this is your b and this is your a. So f of b means f of x. So f of x is cos of pi x by 2 minus f of a, that is f of 1. If I put x equal to 1 over here, I get cos of pi by 2 divided by g of b minus g of a. That is g of x minus g of 1. What is gx? It is minus log of x. We can also write this as, that is, log of 1 by x. Minus g of 1, that becomes, from here if I put x equal to 1, I get minus log of 1, that is equal to 0. And cos of pi by 2 is also 0 for the interval 1x. So this negative signs also cancelled out, and we are getting in the next step pi c divided by 2 sine of pi c divided by 2 equals to cos of pi x divided by 2 divided by log of 1 by x. Now this is nothing but the given expression, this one, and just I need to take the limit x tending to 1 on this. So let's take both sides, the limit x tending to 1, and we need to get the value for this, right? So just we need to evaluate the left hand side. Now when x is approaching to 1, c is approaching to 1. Yes. What is c? It is belonging to the interval 1x. That is, c is strictly greater than 1 and strictly less than x. If x is approaching to 1, then c is also approaching to 1. This implies c is approaching to 1, right? So let me write this side first. So this is equal to this left hand side. And because here everything is in C, so we write here, instead of x approaching to 1, we write C approaching to 1. Very fine? Okay. So limit C tending to 1, this is pi C divided by 2 sine of pi C divided by 2. So this is equal to, when putting the limit, we get pi divided by 2 sine of pi divided by 2. And this is pi divided by 2 and this is your 1. So this is equal to pi divided by 2. So we have evaluated the value for this limit to be pi by 2 using the Cauchy's mean value theorem, right? So this limit is equal to pi divided by 2. Okay, thank you.